Question B8 of 2022 Science Paper 2 GCE under Organic Chemistry is saying, so we've been given 4 hydrocarbons. The first one is CH4, C4H10, C6H14, C10H22, H22. Then the 4 hydrocarbons given are members of the homologous series. So they belong to a same family. Okay? They belong to the same family. Now, the first question is, explain the term hydrocarbon. So, hydrocarbon, this is simple. From the word hydro and carbon, meaning it's made up of hydrogen and carbon. So hydrocarbon is a compound, an organic compound. Organic is an organic compound that contains carbon and hydrogen only. Okay, so if you look at these compounds here, there is carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen. There is no oxygen or any other element. So these are hydrocarbons. So a hydrocarbon is hydrocarbons are simply organic compounds that are made up of carbon and hydrogen atoms only. Question B, there are 2 questions under question B. So question B1 is saying, name the homologous series to which the above hydrocarbons belong. Name the family to which these belong. How do we know the family to which these belong? Remember, the first family are alkanes. Now, the only way we can know is using the general formula. The general formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where n starts from 1. So alkanes, so if we substitute 1, we're going to have C1H4, which is this C1H4, and 1 is invisible. So this one is working. Let's use 4. If you substitute 4, here it will be 4 times 2, 8, plus 2, 10. C4H10 is working. Let's use this one. If we substitute n for a number of carbon atoms, 10, it will be C10, 2 times 10, 20, plus 2, 22 is working. So these are alkanes. That's it. Number 2. Compound. Name the compound with the molecular formula C4H10. C4 is bute. And since these are alkanes, and alkanes they end with ANE, so this one is butane. Like this. Okay? Butane. Number C. Question C. Draw the full structural formula of the hydrocarbon which has 4 carbon atoms. Which is this one? Butane. C4H10. And so this one is not the structural formula, this is the molecular formula. We are asked to draw the structural formula. Alkanes alkanes, the number of carbon atoms are surrounded by hydrogen, are completely surrounded by hydrogen. That's why they're called they are also called saturated hydrocarbons. So since we have 4 hydrogen atoms, carbon atoms, it will be C to C to C to C. This is single bond. Alkanes are single bond. Hydrogen here. So this is where hydrogen atoms will be. Okay? And we have 10 of them. So we have 1, 2, 3. You can start with any 4 as long as they'll fit. From this 8, 9, 10. This is the structure formula for butane. Okay? Or an hydrocarbon with 4 carbon atoms. 4 carbon atoms. So that is the answer. Oh, there is another one, which is question, I think it can fit here. Which of the given hydrocarbons has the highest boiling point? So C, D here. Which of these has a highest boiling point? The answer is the one with the highest number of carbon atoms. This one has 1, this one has 4, this one has 6, this one has 10. So it is C, this one C10, H22, which is decane. The reason why decane here, this one has the highest number, as the highest boiling point, is because the boiling point of alkanes increases as the number of carbon atoms increases. So this one has the highest boiling point. That's the answer to question B8 of 2022 GCE paper 2, which is science. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and also to leave a comment in the comment section. This is the only way you can help the channel be recommended to others as well, and also help it to grow. Thank you so much.